Hi, it's Rob Clark from Learning Architects here. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Google Drive file stream in order to save a local file from your computer into a team drive. If you would like to learn more, please visit members.learningarchitects.com. From here you can use any other application. Once you've installed Drive file stream, Google Drive file stream, you can save any local file from your computer using Save As, and from there it may default to go back to the old Google Drive folder. Now Google Drive file stream resides in your user level, okay, so you need to go to your user level account inside your computer hard drive. In my case it's called Rob Clark. And from there you will see there it is, Google Drive file stream. So if I open that up, there is the team drives. Now if I go in there, it will show the team drives that you have access to, and if you have edit access in these team drives, you will find that you can navigate into it and save into that team drive, and then it will appear inside the team drive. So that is how you save a local file into a team drive using Google Drive file stream.